Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to search the record. In this class, I am going to teach how to update the records. So let's right click this one. This add button we have to change it as update here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here right click. Here we have to go to event action perform. Right. Here first we have to this one. This ID text box. What is the name of this one? We have to change this cust ID. Right here, string ID. We have to this text box name. We have to change it as cust ID. Txt cust ID. Right. Okay. Other stuff are same. Now here we have to change the things. Right. Now here we have to we no need to insert the record. So here I am going to update the record. First I am going to here we have to write the query. We have to same thing. We have to write like this here. This one you have to change it as update IDs. We get the ID and update the fields. So update what is a table name? Customers is a table name, I think. Right, customer is a table name. So customer set first name equal question mark. After that last name equal question mark. NIC question mark. Passport question mark. Address question mark. Gender question mark. This one also question mark. Here I am going to give the question mark here. So I am going to using the prepare statement for update the record. Right. Photo equal question mark. Right. After that we no need values, these fields we have to remove them. Instead of that we have to write another query is where ID equal question mark. Right. What is the ID you are entered here? Right. Let's get the details and update the details. Okay, get the ID and update the details. So where ID, right? So here we have to enter the correct values here, right? So here first this one we have to set as first mean first name, second mean last name, 3 mean NIC, fourth mean passport, fifth mean address, sixth mean DOB, date. Right here this one date. Right. So date. Right. DOB date. Right. Date. After that 7 mean gender, 8 mean contact, 9 mean user image. What's the image they are display? Right. User image. Right. After that finally we have to write the ID here. Okay. Because I get the ID and we have to update the record. So here 1, this one 10, this here we have the ID. Right. Okay, this ID we have to this one string ID. Control C copy. Why the error will be here not set byte. This one you have to change it as a set string. Dot set. Right. That's the stuff we have to do. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now this here registration is updated. Right. That's the stuff we have to write. Okay. That's the simple stuff you have to write. Okay. Same insert code I have modified little bit. Okay. Here first modify the query and here we have the values I just modified. Okay. First the ID will be first position when you insert the value. Now here ID is the value ID is needed for updated, so ID will be go last row. Okay, that's the thing, only different. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Let's execute the program. Search customer, find by the customer ID. Right, I'm going to update this record. So here we have to update this one John Alex right? NIC number I'm going to update like this. UK I'm going to retest. After that I'm going to browse the image. I'm going to change it as a different image. I just give same image, this one, not this. I'm going to give the right. I'm going to give the image format this 3 2. Right. I'm going to update this one. So after edit this stuff, click update, registration update. Now if you find search here, record should be updated. Now if you 2, this one, this one. I have two. I have a same 2 photos only available, so that I put this one again. Right here, Alex. It is updated. Photo will be updated. Right. All here address will be updated. Okay. The thing is updated successfully. Now let's cancel button. Now we already written the code for the add customer, because add customer page the same codes I have to write here. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do another stuff is add flight. How to create the flight form. So let's design the flight form. So here let's close this 2 stuff, we don't need. Right, now here select the package, right click, new, J internal form, frame form. Here we have to give as a flight. Here we have to set it as add flight. Click finish. Now here we have to, what I'm going to do is here go to the panel, we have to put one panel here. Here we have to write as first one should be label. Right click, flight ID. After that we have to label here. This is the flight ID also auto incremented. So here after that we have to write this one, flight name, source, flight name, source. After that departure, date, right click, edit, flight name, source, departure, right click, edit text, departure, right. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to text field. Right, we have to select all the stuff, hold on the control key and right click, properties, we have to change the font, and we have to change this one as a width bold. Right, okay, perfect. Now let's remove the stuff, edit, remove, sorry, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the text, default text we have to remove. Right, after that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write another thing is a date label. Here we have to write date, this one, date user. After that we have to write as a departure time and arrival time and departure time. So you have to write as this one for departure time, departure DP time, shortly write DP time, put one text field, what happened here, after that arrival time, ARR time, arrival time. Finally, flight charge. Simply we have to write here flight charge. Here we have to put one text field. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Simple. After that we need two buttons. One is a add and edit, add and cancel. So we need two buttons. Right, simple. This is how we have to design the things. So add flight, this one should be cancelled. Right. Only thing, I'm only here doing only the flight add part only, insert part only. Update part and search flight I didn't do. I already explained how to do the searching and updating part in the customer. You have to do that. Okay, I just do this one only, right? So you have to do remaining stuff. So let's remove all the stuff. Right, that's the stuff we have to do. Now here we have to give the name here. This one should be change variable txt first name, txt not first name, flight name. This one should be right click, change variable txt source. This one txt depart. This one we didn't change, date. This one should be txt date. This one should be txt d time. This one should be, this text box should be txt d name. This one should be txt ar time, arrival time. This one should be txt flight charge. Right, that's the stuff we have to do. Right, we successfully complete the design stuff. We have to change the color. Right click, properties. We have to change the background color as this one. The same color we have to change. This one, I think. Change. Right. Here font color also we have to change. So select all the stuff. Hold on the control key and select the labels like this. Okay. How to identify whether it's selected or not? Here, if it is selected, you will be notice that around the yellow color border text. Okay, here, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here, right click, properties. We have to change the font color. So here font color is not there. What's the problem here? It's selected additional field. That's why. Properties here, font color is there. So here foreground color we have to change this one as a white. Right. So here select these three things first. After that, properties, foreground color, white. Same thing here as well. Control, select these fields. Right click, properties, foreground color, white. Right. Everything fine. Right. I hope you guys understood so far. In my next tutorial I will be teaching how to write the code for the add button. I hope you guys enjoy so far. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me, share with your friends.